Morning everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous Mulberry Bayswater to show you today, and it is in this super cool kind of spongy patent leather. So it's got that kind of classic look of a Bayswater, that iconic look of a Bayswater, but with a bit more glitz and a bit more glam, which is really cool. So I'll talk you through the features. So we've got double top handles, 4 base studs, and then we have got flat closure, mulberry cloche, and then we've got mulberry padlock poking out the bottom there as well. Of course, we've got the iconic mulberry postman's lock, so I'll open that up and show you inside. So in there, got suede lining and then 1 flat pocket, and then 2 more flat pockets there. So this is a zip flat pocket, and then if I show you on the other side, you can see we've got internal buckles there and there, and they're adjustable, so you can adjust these side gussets here as well. So the condition of this Bayswater, we've called the exterior and the interior very good. As you can see, all that kind of patent leather is all still really nice and shiny, and then bottom corners are all in beautiful condition. And again, inside, beautiful condition. That suede lining is really nice. And there's no kind of marks or anything like that for me to show you in particular. We've called it very good because you can just tell that it's not brand new. Has been used before, but it is in gorgeous, gorgeous condition. The hardware we've called good, just because it's got a few kind of small scratches, hairline scratches, and on these base studs, you can see they're just starting to show somewhere in the centres. So that's why we've called it good for the hardware. While you're here, don't forget to like this video, also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got the Mulberry dust bag, just here, and if you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this bag, so it will give you loads of details on it. It should hopefully take you directly to this Mulberry. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, you guys love Mulberry, so that does mean it has sold out because it sells so quickly. So what you can do is let us know that you love this, and we will get you on our request list, and then as soon as we get one like it, we will let you know, and then hopefully you can get in nice and quickly. But as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but for reference, I can show you the size on me. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", if that's any help. So I'll just come back and show you what that looks like on me. It's just gorgeous. That shine on that leather is really cool. I really like it. So for more details on this bag, again, go to our website, link in the description below. Have a browse through our website while you're there. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we will send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that on your first purchase with us, and have a look at the how to sell with us page. So if you've got any gorgeous bags like this one that you'd like to sell with us, let us know. Go onto that page, and you'll find all the details you need to know. And I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.